Fighters in the front. There's a really cool model last year.
To the Forgotten Realms lies the grand city of Waterdeep. We stand as proud members of the Harpers, guardians of justice sworn to oppose dark forces. Within your Harpers group, 4 classes stand ready for action. Rogues, who strike from the shadows. Clerics, who wield divine flames. Fighters, who excel in battle strategy. And wizards, who are book-smart spellcasters. Our journey begins at the Curious Palace, a shop filled with artifacts and mystery.
Your journey begins now. Step forward, adventurers. Waterdeep is counting on you.
You're late, and here I am, Lana Star Shadow, far too patient for my own good. We don't have much time now. Where did I hide the quest details? Oh, I wouldn't worry about that. She is gorgeous though. Only the skilled can awaken the magic orb. You wizard, reach towards it. Check if it answers you. You have quite the ability. Xanathar, the evil crime lord, once again seeks to destroy the city of Waterdeep. This time with the dragon staff of Agaron. He has aligned with the powerful red dragon Saber to remove the dragon lord barrier that prevents dragons from entering the city of Waterdeep. You, along with Throckery and Evelina, leaders of the local harpers, must steal back the dragon staff from him. They'll be along shortly. Well, now turn it off. Your mission is clear. Find your fellow harper leaders, steal back the dragon staff, and save Waterdeep. Yes. Woo indeed. Now you will go forth, you will be valiant, and if you should happen to find the stars, well, then we'll talk. Yes, now we have our wizards here for their knowledge, our fighters for their strength, our rogues for their stealth, and our clerics for protection. Yes, you will all be very necessary on the next stage of your adventure. Oh good, were you checking your muscles? Yes, you have to make sure you drop them. Very nice. They've been dropped. That's good. You're looking at me like I'm evil. No. Would someone evil gesture this grandly? They would not. Throckery Evelina, right on time.
Did somebody order a hero? Fighters and wizards, you're with me right this way.
Show me this way.
Come on then, don't be shy.
She is gorgeous, right? Great jawline.
I know you're going to be amazing. Come on, inhale and well meds, everyone. Easy now, Evelina. We've got quite the quest ahead of us. Let's not scare off the only allies we've got.
Well, if they're afraid of me, then they're not ready for waste them beyond those walls.
They look ready enough to be. My contact shows well, and besides, we are all harpers, aren't we? Let me hear ya, harpers!
Woo! All right. Save the cheering. The dragon staff is still out there. We need every skill that we got.
Rogues, you're up first. Show us your sneakiest shuffle.
Now then.
Clerics, your finest healing gesture. Anyone? Ooh, that fixed something in me I thought was permanent.
Fighters, strike your best battle pose.
Wizards, bring the magic!
This party's really taking shape.
Our bad guy Xanathar is a real vain and insecure diva. But with your help, a vicious mockery spell might be powerful enough to disable it. Watch and learn. You are a terrible fish father! Now you try. Hurl an insult or try a symbol.
Really
let the poster have it.
I like that. They got spun.
Easy. What?
Mortals, the Dragon Lord no longer protects your city.
Get down. Get down. There's a dragon, but they go for
Waterdeep will burn and all of your treasure will now be mine.
I think we need to split the party.
Never for the party unless we're getting paid twice.
You'd rather stay here and be barbecued all together.
No, you're right. Let's go.
That's what I thought. All right. Let's go this way. I know secret passage.
All right, Harpers, we're right this way.
Xanathar, Claire, help me far from here.
We got it.
Any sorts of eyeball motif is going to be helpful for us.
This work. It's a protection chart. You better use it. I'm counting on you.
Stick around. You can need a number at my back. I'm going to need your help later, all right? Anything good up there?
Yeah, I think I might have just found the wand of lightning bolts.
Every dungeon in Waterdeep, you walk straight to the rarest thing in the room. Classic Evie.
And this, something I already have. This is the Wake of the Dead juice, right, wizards? This feels suspicious. Rooms like these always have a purpose.
We're standing in the middle of a puzzle, aren't we?
Yes, and puzzles always want something.
Light. They want light. Where's my cleric friend from before? Can you cast some dancing lights? Here's a bit of bardic inspiration.
I can't take them anywhere.
Go on then. Well done.
These are the doors to Xanathar's lair. Whatever this puzzle is, it might just be our way out. My fighters, do you sense any dangerous creatures nearby? Anything at all?
Behind you.
Oh, monster!
I am not in the mood for any more minute surprises.
Close one.
It's time for a thunder!
Could have given me a warning next time, Brock. It is a puzzle, and you're the pieces.
Quick, everyone, get to a glowing zone. Think musical chairs.
But with your life, get to a glowing zone now. Come on.
There you are. Stay. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Did we die?
The puzzle is solved. Xanathar's lair is unlocked. Let's go.
Yeah,
Good adventuring with you. I'll go. Right, this way, everyone.
Right, this way, Harpers.
Right.
We're gonna show Xanathar we don't take things lying down.
Xanathar's lair.
And don't touch.
I really want to touch it. I really want to touch it really bad. Evie! I found a dragon's staff and it's a stunner. Whatever you do, keep far away from Xanathar's fish. Silgar is very protected. If you see a fish, don't touch it. Any signs of Xanathar? Does anybody have eyes on Xanathar?
Steal from Xanathar. No. Disintegrate. Xanathar is the rightful owner of the Dragon Staff. But don't worry, I'll make sure your deaths are quick. Do you really think you can steal from Xanathar and live to tell the tale? It's time to take a deep,
vault is right here somehow.
That's convenient.
Foolish Throckery and Evelina! Did you really think you did this yourselves? It was I, Lamale Star Shadow!
Whoa, wait, this wand is alive!
Nothing can stop me now.
Light her up, Evie.
Welcome to the cult of the dragon!
Hey, Lamale! The wand of lightning bolt says you're toast!
Wow. Dragon staff secured, Waterdeep safe, mission complete! Huzzah!
And I've got all my new friends to thank for it.
Evelina has friends. I am speechless.
Speechless. Oh, do you need it? Do you really need it?
All right. You head out that way towards the First World Tavern. We'll secure these things. Until our next adventure, our Harper friends.
Lunacy Harpers!
You cannot keep that up.
Oh, but come on, it's so shiny! It's a rich one. I won't chew on your fingers anymore. There's only one I really want to say.
Adventure awaits, but who's to say if you'll make it back someday?